Hi, this is my first video with Zoe for Life, and I have my husband here, Brian.
How are you?
I'm Anita. We're the Healy's.
I'm her support.
And this is to focus on the keto lifestyle. We love keto. I mean, that's my life. That's what I've been doing. He's been benefiting from all the good food.
But I am not strictly keto like she is. But anyway,
Look
that's
how
another
perfectly shaped he is.
That's
okay,
another
so
issue.
That's why.
That's another issue.
So we're going to make today spaghetti squash and meatballs. And we're going to show you how to make it keto style. I'll put all your macros up there for you so you can see it. All right?
Okay,
Let's get
great.
started.
Thanks.
Hi, okay, so I'm going to give you the rundown of the ingredients for our spaghetti squash, spaghetti and meatballs recipe. Starting with the spaghetti squash, this is like a medium size that varies in size, but we get a medium, we cut that in half, and we're going to use half of it for this recipe. We'll show you that later. Here are the meatless meatballs, again a Trader Joe's product. These taste just like meat. You can use them in other recipes too. Then the olives. These are sliced olives. We don't use the whole can. We use about 2 ounces. Then the Quattro Formaggio cheese, another Trader Joe's product, which is 4 different cheeses, which we use fairly liberally, but you can adjust. The red onion, which I just showing you a cut piece of it there. Then of course the olive oil, which we use. It's Trader Joe's again, extra virgin. That is not imperative, but extra virgin tastes better and it seems to work better. And the sauce we're using, we're only going to use 2 or 3 ounces, or maybe 4. Rustica traditional Southern Italian sauce. That you can adjust to your taste. Garlic, which we'll slice up.
Trader Joe's.
Trader Joe's. And
all of these are Trader Joe's products today.
And the fresh basil. We put a lot of that in because it adds a lot of flavor. Okay?
And we'll list all the ingredients on the video for you. All right.
All right, at this point, we have cleaned out the half of the spaghetti squash. Now we're going to put it in the oven. And we use a convection toaster oven. Tends to be a little quicker. You can use a regular oven, it doesn't matter. But what we do is we take it and I'm going to preheat this. Well, I'm not going to preheat, I'm just going to turn it on to 30 minutes. Now that can vary. But 30 minutes at about 375, 400, and you just put it face down. To serve.
Bon appetit.